Unit 1. Introduction to Health Education. Discuss the aims and objectives of health education. Explain the principles of health education. Explain the scope of health education. What are the foundations of health education? Discuss about scientific foundation of health education. Describe about educational and psychological foundations of health education. Justify social and cultural factors as foundations of health education. Unit 2. Introduction to Health and Disease. Compare the level of health and disease with rays of spectrum. How does the health of an individual affect his economic condition? Discuss with examples. What are the differences between traditional and contemporary concept of health? What do you mean by health and disease spectrum? Explain the factors that determine health and disease with examples. Define health and disease in your own words and list down the factors that determine health and disease in a person. Elucidate health is a dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment, and disease is the maladjustment of the human organism to environment. Justify how socioeconomic conditions determine the health status of the people. Health connotes not only the absence of manifest disease but also the absence of non-manifest or undiagnosed disease or impairment. Justify. What is the spectrum of health? How would you differentiate health and disease in the spectrum? List the factors that determine health and disease. Health is wealth. Justify the statement in our practical life situation. What are the determinant factors for good and bad health? Discuss with proper examples. What is health? What is its importance in our daily life? Health is that equality of physical, emotional and mental well-being which enable one to live effectively and enjoyable. Explain with examples. What are the physical and biological factors that influence health? Explain. What are the determinants of health? Mention how biological factor determines the health status of an individual in brief. What are the socio-cultural factors which influence health? Explain in brief. What is meant by health and disease spectrum? Explain with illustration. Health is not simply an end in itself but a source of self-fulfillment. Justify this statement. List the theories of disease and explain any one of them. Describe in brief the psychogenetic theory of disease. Discuss the concepts of disease, illness and sickness in health education with examples. Unit 3. Human Anatomy and Physiology. Draw a figure of skin and explain its structure and functions. Explain the structure and functions of eyes. Explain the structure and functions of kidneys. Write the functions of central nervous system. Explain the structure and functions of nerve cell. What is endocrine system? Explain the structure and functions of endocrine glands. Give 6 differences by which mitosis and meiosis can be differentiated from each other. Explain the functions of the thyroid gland and what may happen if the thyroid is overactive and underactive. What is tissue? Explain the types and functions of the nerve tissue. What is pituitary gland? Why is pituitary gland called master gland? Describe the structure and functions of cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum with a clean diagram. Explain the structure and functions of the heart with a labeled diagram. Explain with the help of sketch the structure and functions of the human ear. What are the types of epithelial tissue? List the structure and functions of each type of epithelial tissues. How does digestion take place in the duodenum? Explain in brief. Describe the different types of joints and their locations. Explain the circulatory system in human with clear and neat labeled diagram of heart. Explain the functions of thyroid gland. What may happen if the thyroid is overactive and underactive. Explain the structure and functions of the ear with a sketch. Explain the process of systematic blood circulation. Describe the digestive process in a human body. What is meant by ovulation? Explain the phases of menstruation cycle in females. What is neuron? How does reflex action take place in human body? Illustration it with examples and figure. What do you mean by lymphatic system? List down the part of it and explain the structure and functions of each of them in brief. What is meant by excretory system? Explain the structure and functions of urinary system. Describe briefly the different parts of the human eye with the help of a diagram. Describe structure and function of kidney with the help of label diagram. Illustrate the main functions of lymphatic system in human body. What is endocrine gland? Explain structure and functions of ovary. Describe structure and functions of bulbs, arteries, vein, and capillaries. Discuss the structure and function of the internal organs of the female reproductive system. What is digestive system? Explain structure and functions of digestive organs and process of digestion. Classify the tissues and explain the functions of epithelial tissue in brief. Explain the structure and functions of the ear. Describe how kidney works in the elimination of waste fluid with the help of a diagram. Explain the structure and functions of the thyroid gland. What cranial nerves are related to certain special senses? Explain briefly the functions of each nerve.